Two teenagers at Westmount Charter School are exploring how microbes in soil produce electricity. And now they're teaching other students at schools across the province.
Thank you, Mr. Ian White from CTV News. The MFC Games hopes to inspire grade 4 to 9 students to learn about sustainability and renewable energy sources. The Microbial Fuel Cell, or MFC technology, takes center stage in this fun and hands-on educational program, where participants generate electricity with microbes in ordinary garden soil.
According to NASA, MFCs have the potential to power long-duration space travel.
We are both in high school and we founded the initiative in 2022. My name is Justin and I'm a grade 10 student at STEM Innovations Academy. 4 years ago, I won a gold medal and a renewable energy award for my project on microbial fuel cells at the Calgary Youth Science Fair.
My name is Aaron and I'm currently completing my last year of high school at Westmount Charter. Besides leading this initiative, I'm also an acting squadron commander at one of the biggest air cadet squadrons in Calgary.
We had observed that many youths are growing more anxious about the environment and felt that there is a pressing need to empower our peers and fellow students. Instead of apathy or finger pointing, we wanted to advocate for productive actions that are based on the adoption of proven scientific methodologies. The initiative emphasized communication and teamwork, skills that we felt were necessary when solving today's complex problems.
Starting initially with only our own school, the initiative has already impacted more than 500 students from various schools in both Calgary and Red Deer over the past 2 years. Feedback for participating students and teachers has been exceedingly positive. Camille mentioned that although the MFC did not work at the beginning, her team managed to get it working at the end. We are so glad that they learned to persevere and did not give up.
Yolu wanted to do the whole project again and indicated that she would be interested in helping to run some of the activities this year.
This initiative has gained widespread recognition and was featured on prominent news outlets. Our first televised interview was with Mr. Gil Tucker at Global News Calgary. We also had the honor of speaking with Mr. Lauren McGinnis from CBC Eye-Opener in the last 2 years.
The initiative won the 2023 case competition by 10 Peaks Innovation Alliance, and we also received the prestigious 2024 Youth of Distinction Awards in the environment category. In May this year, we were also invited to conduct workshops at the 2024 Calgary Mayor's Environment Expo.
In addition, we are very humbled to have received generous sponsorships from several respected organizations, such as the University of Calgary, funded in part by Environment and Climate Change Canada, Inside Education, and the Alberta Emerald Foundation. In 2023, we also set up a social enterprise to develop another source of revenue, hoping to be less reliant on grants and donations for future operations.
This year, our objective is to expand the outreach further by engaging with another 500 students and doubling the number of schools involved. We are adding more team members and increasing the number of offerings. For example, a new play performed by grade school students will improve the storytelling aspect. The Adventures of Shui, the Electric Microbe, is a backstage pass to the electrifying world of microbes, revealing the epic saga of how these tiny wonders crank up the voltage in the MFC.
On top of that, we are partnering with faculty members and students from the University of Calgary in delivering the school workshop activities. The experience of interacting directly with grade school students serves as an exceptional platform for our university student facilitators to develop better communication skills, a vital asset in any career path.
Aaron and Justin say their goal is to inspire grade school students to become more involved in the sciences and to pursue careers in renewable energy.